Hello my friends, my name is Fabio and today I will teach you how to play the song Because He Lives using simple chords. Before I continue, I would like to ask you to click on the like button and also to subscribe the channel. This way you help me to keep producing this kind of acoustic guitar lessons for you and also for other people who would like to learn their favorite songs on the acoustic guitar. Also, if you like me to record a custom acoustic guitar lesson for you, you can hire me using my Fiverr account and you can also contact me through my email that I will leave on the description down below. First of all, you have to set the tuning of the acoustic guitar to the standard E tuning. The chords that you play in order to perform the song, I will leave it on the screen for you to see right now. I will play the entire song and then I will explain all the details about how to play it.
God sent His Son, they call Him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. How sweet to hold a newborn baby and feel the pride and joy He gives. But greater still, the calm assurance this child can face a certain days because He lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. And then one day I cross the river, I fight life's fight, the war with pain. And then as death gives way to victory, I see the lights of glory and I know He lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. And life is worth the living just because He lives.
So my friends, the chords that you play in order to perform the song are these ones. The strumming pattern that you play using your right hand is this one. play it slowly for you to catch it up, okay? It's this way. Basically, this is the rhythm that you play during the entire song, right? It won't change at all. So, if this video was useful for you, don't forget to click on the like button and also to subscribe the channel. This way you help me to keep producing these acoustic guitar lessons for you and also for other people who like to learn their favorite songs on the acoustic guitar. And also, if you like me to record a custom guitar lesson especially for you, considering the range of your vocals, you can hire me using the Fiverr link that there is in the description down below. But I suggest you to contact me through my email first, alright? So I believe that's pretty much it. I hope you like it and I see you on the next video.